thank you for all the followers, guys, and time for squishy baths now. So that's all the stuff what I can't watch because it will get ruined. So this is the bath. Let's put them in. Have ever done this before, guys?
I wouldn't put that in.
What?
That.
This.
No.
Why?
Because I just wouldn't.
I'll put it in.
Okay.
A bit down here. Well, that's right. Because, it's, do secret below, video next. With our squishies. The big ones would probably.
No, I wouldn't put that in.
Why?
Because I wouldn't. Listen to me, please.
Would it be water in
Yeah. No.
it? Like a little whale swimming in the sea. I don't want to fall in. I already have my arm. I actually found that in the water on holiday. This one's very dirty. Mini Duncan bake.
So we have made the water cooler because if you make it hot, then it might explode.
Yeah.
So it is really cool. So if you're going to do a squishy bath, just make sure it's cool.
Yeah, make sure it's cool. And can't have bubbles. You can't have a bath without bubbles.
Oh my goodness.
Thank you.
You nearly had a squishy bath. No.
Whale. Yeah, because like the waters, don't put like squishies in what have like gaps in.
No. I just wouldn't.
But you put poppets in them because like it does have gaps, but you can just do that. But these are waterproof, so definitely buy. It's weird. It's below. To put some in the bubbles. It's splashing.
No, that's cold. Let's see what you got. Yeah.
No. It's hard. Put it in the zero. All these fidgets are so dirty that they're getting it on my hands and I'm washing it in and now I'm slipping. No, this.
No.
The one what Lani gave me. Should I put this one in because it's popped?
Yeah. Wash.
This one's leaked.
No. Just the squidgies, darling.
Not this.
No, just get the dumplings. That'll be about it, really. Don't know if your tab will lose his stickiness if he goes in.
Oh yeah, it loses the stickiness. But it's really dirty.
Go on, chuck him in. the squidgies out. Oh, not that one.
What one?
This one.
Oh yeah, I didn't see that one.
Oh, I dropped one. You stood on one.
No. Oh, what you doing? Ooh, Mum, this is not squishy. It's okay.
Yeah.
This is weird. I really was in it. This one feels so dirty. Guys, they're not like dirty, but when I actually put them in the bath, they actually
Water.
feel
Look at your hands. Like you've been in the bath.
dirty.
You were dirty. Before you play with them all the time. Right, a couple more. I don't know if that will. That's it. No, that's just it. Right.
Oh,
Where's the sponge?
sponge.
Oh, that's going to be very hard to put down. Here's the sponge. Or do you want to use that one?
This one.
Oh, head butted. Right, do you want some soap?
Yep.
No, on the sponge. On the sponge. Just give them a nice
Guys,
little.
always do this with a pair, and it's quite messy. A little bit.
Oh, Piggy's cleaned up good.
Pigs are so
Maybe
dirty.
that one can get out and dry.
So where should we put this one? Should we put them
Right,
in
so
the
that's
towel?
the way. Lay a towel down.
So when we let dry them, let's put it
I'm
into
not
one.
allowed to dry.
This one, soap.
I'm going to help you.
Yeah. We're going to be here into the moonlight. The moonlight.
Piggy's come up very clean. This is why, guys, if you play with your squidgies, they need a squidgy bath. The water's like turning brown. A bit like the water when you got out of the bath from the farm. Playing with all the animals and feeding them.
Yeah, earlier. Get nice and shiny. This one's definitely rubbed off good. That one has hair, everything on it. Oh, it looks so much shinier. I'm gonna get the snake out. Oh, guys, ever put like
Oh, we're back. Alright.
the, oh no, my back. Ever put like ever put like gaps like fidgets in the bath because when they dropped it.
Oh, dropped it.
Ooh, that just splashed me all. Can I do the rest?
Yeah.
This can go to weed. Let's go to this one. Order of needles dropped. No, this is not a big book, but it is a needle. Yeah, because needles are heavy. But this looks like a needle dumpling. Look at this doing needles.
Solid.
Yeah, needles are solid, but they can be like squishies too. And it's like needles what change the colour won't. Like it's needles what actually look hard, but they're not, and they change the colour. But they're like just cute, like this, like this one. They're quite mini as well. This one's running away from me when I was trying to get it. But that one's not like the change the colour one. This one has hair. We're gonna have to wrap it up like a sack, like a Santa sack. Look how satisfying that is. Now it's water. It's like slippy. This one, white little fray.
You make all those fidgets.
I'm crazy. The fruits fell off the strawberry.
You gave the strawberry to Ray.
Yeah, I know. And I have to think. In that video was earlier when we were playing with the fidgets and then she started crying.
She's only little, she doesn't know, does she, how to play it?
She thought that we were
thought she won.
She thought that we were playing with 10 fidgets. With 10. A bit dry, so it gets sticky. Where was my fidget? Covering.
I don't think you've got enough fidgets.
I have more than enough. You're just tricking.
Just tricking.
Yeah, that's like I have. Oh, hi,
You can't see it.
I don't know what I am.
Mermaid hair.
Princess Ariel. Flying, 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 flying.
See, one more there.
Here they are. Swimming in the water. I'm gonna eat you. Got you. Oh no. I know they're here hiding. They're hiding.
Make your own squidgies.
It looks like grey.
You made that one yourself.
Yeah, that is. I felt one. I felt it. I felt it hard as I know there's someone. Here it is. Bruh. Here's one. Hi, I'm Princess Aurora. Hi. And like them hairs feel like really like satisfying, like.
Satisfying.
So guys, my speech is bad. Oh, what was that? I felt it. I felt it. I can feel. I can feel too. No.
Your hair's having a little wash.
At the back.
So guys, that was our squidgy bar.
Let's see it anymore. So guys, that was our squidgy bar. So let's just dry them. Quick. Wonder why I actually sat. Mum's sat in the toilet right now. Give my little pigs a bath. Give my piggies a bath.
So why don't you put all the squishies in the grey one and then all your fidgets in the pink one?
Yeah, that's actually a good idea.
So that's
Squish,
okay.
squish, squish. Yeah, squish, squish, squish.
That's a fidget.
Fidget. A fidget. A fidget. A fidget. A fidget. We couldn't wash this one because I drawed it, so I couldn't really paint it. This one fidget.
Fidget.
Fidget. pass me all the fidgets and I'll just get the squishies. This is
Oh, this
fidget.
is slimy now.
Is this the fidget?
Yeah,
Or
I
is it squishy?
would say.
Mummy's helping. Squishy or fidget?
Fidget.
Squishy.
Squishies are like squishy.
Squishy, squishy. I'm just chucking it in. I'm just finding it's squishy and just chucking it in.
I've got you this one from Smiths.
Squishy.
I've got you all of them.
I don't even know where I got them from. I can't even remember you buying them for me.
Lucky gal.
I probably found them.
No, you definitely didn't find them. You definitely bought them.
My legs are stinging now. Oh, I
That
can't
one in
read
the
the
fidget.
green mini
I
baby.
would say that's a fidget.
Where's Squishy? Right, here's this spatula. Fidget. 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 Squishy. What should I count this? Fidget, squishy.
Fidget,
It is
probably.
squishy. Maybe put it back. It is squishy. Like it's squish. Like
That's a
it's
fidget.
The reason why I couldn't do this one because it's wet inside and it's ever dry. Over here. Oh, I missed out this one. So guys, that's the end of our squishy bath. So I hope you give me a 3 thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!